welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna recommend you some of my favorite shows from different websites like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar and few YouTube web series.
Something that moves.
I just have watched few series and amongst that also few favorites. So I'm gonna tell you about those favorites. So first of all, go follow me on Instagram if you haven't yet. So first we'll start with the Netflix shows. So my science fiction fans, I've got two shows for you. The first one is Stranger Things. Obvious, everybody knows about it. I don't need to explain it. It's a sci-fi and pretty popular. And if you haven't watched it yet, I would certainly recommend you to just go and don't miss out on this show, please. The next is Dark. It's complex to understand because I myself took a real long time to understand this show, but it has got two seasons. I would strongly recommend this show. Then comes You has got two seasons and it's basically a show about a psychotic guy who have protective issues and who does very suspenseful crimes. Basically it's a mix of suspense, thriller, romance, drama and everything, and I think you'll love it. Then it's Lock and Key. So among all these shows, my personal all-time favorite is Stranger Things, and after that is Lock and Key. I love Lock and Key. It's about few children who move to a new house and find out that there are magical locks and keys to those locks. So that's a very wonderful and magical mystery, so I think you should watch that. Then comes Little Things, which has got three seasons, which is basically a light drama show. If you don't want a show like which makes you get addicted to the Netflix, then you ought to watch Little Things. It's about a couple. It inspires you for your relationships. It inspires you for your individuality. Then comes Working Moms, which has got four seasons, which is basically a comedy show. So I've watched few episodes and I was in love with it, so I would suggest this too. Then comes Pup Academy. It's heart melting show. So if you're stressed out, if you're frustrated from this lockdown, just go to your Netflix, watch the Pup Academy and you'll feel, oh my god, there are good things too in this world. So Netflix ones are only these. I know these are less, but yeah, I've just watched these, so I wanted to be fair and honest. Then comes the Prime Video. So obviously the most popular series on Prime is Four More Shots Please. I loved it and I would strongly recommend this to you. It just got two seasons. The story is kind of four girls who are trying to do something else which isn't really traditionally acceptable in the society, so they face many problems, they have fun together, they are very good friends, and it's an amazing show overall. So the next one is Just Add Magic. Again it's a teen drama, so if you are still into teen drama or if you are a teenager itself, then you ought to watch this show. This show is basically a TV series which has got many seasons and many episodes and many fun videos of teen magic, so that's very interesting, I would say, and I personally enjoyed it. So yeah. Then comes Comicstaan, which got two seasons and it's basically a stand-up comedy show, because this lockdown has got frustration into even those people who were indoor persons like me. So to have something light in our lives, we need these shows. Then comes Hostel Days. It's got one season and it's one of my favorite shows till yet. It's about hostel life of few boys. Then comes Hotstar shows. Yeah, Amazon Prime, only these many shows. I told ya, I don't really watch too many shows, but I watch few, and amongst them two real few favorites, I'm telling you about that. So first one is Shararat. Everybody knows about that, right? It's about a Indian girl and her family which has magical powers and they have lots of fun with that magic. So I would strongly recommend to watch this again. You know, if you've watched everything else and you don't know what to watch now, just go back to the old days, just go back to the old shows which will give you nostalgia and which will literally make you feel like, oh my god, you're still alive. So Shararat, obviously. Then comes Shakalaka Boom Boom, which I don't really watch, but I thought अगर nostalgia की बात आ रही है, so जब हम बच्चे थे तब हम ये सारे shows देखते थे, तो उसमें ये show भी होना चाहिए. And then I watched Disney shows like Hannah Montana, The Suit Life of Jack and Cody. That's it. Obviously, there are many more shows, but these are my favorite again. Then comes YouTube web series. So one of them is Adulting, which has got 2 seasons, which is about 2 roommates who are living separately, independently, tackling with all their problems, their selves, and having fun together. So that's about that. Then comes Ladies Room, which has got 1 season, 2 friends who are having fun and tackling with their life problems, but it's more like a comedy. So you ought to watch that. Then comes Engineering Girls. So Hostel Days, the prime show, was about boys hostel, okay, but Engineering Girls is about girls hostel and how is the hostel life and all that, so you ought to watch that too. Then comes Comfort Zone. It's about male and female roommate. It's a mini web series, to be honest, with just 3 episodes, and it'll be like if you work, if you study a lot and you just need a quick relief from all that, you ought to watch this mini series. Then I want to add another series. I forgot, but when I was talking about Girls Hostel, I just remember that Girls Hostel is itself a series. It's again about Girls Hostel, so it is more fun and more relatable to hostels. So I would recommend that too. Then comes podcasts from Spotify. So I don't really listen to podcasts since ages, but I've just started doing that in this log. When I go for the morning walk on terrace, it's very important for me to have something with me to rely on. So that is podcasts, and I just have 2. One is Sacha Pyar. It's amazing. It's basically different stories of different couples, and it tells you how broad your relationship, your individuality can be. So that is very important in life. So that's Sacha Pyar. Then comes stand-up comedy by Amit Kumar. This is such amazing. He makes me laugh every time, like literally every time, and I enjoy hearing to it a lot. But more comedy podcasts and more podcasts are there. I would suggest go and check it out yourself. But if you want recommendations, then these are that. So this is just it for the video. It's a short, like a personal video, which I really wanted to recommend you some of my favorites. And if you're like me, if you like watching science fictions, comedies, and teen dramas or light dramas, Indian shows from old times, then you ought to go and check out these. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell notification, guys, and we'll meet